much-awaited celebration, the parangal at pasasalamat, the Kapartner Loan Consultant Mid-Year Recognition Night 2025.
Good evening to our dear partner loan consultants. Today, we are very excited to recognize the achievers of the year thus far. It's a great opportunity to reflect on the half year that has passed.
Naiiyak kasi ako, wait. Ang pwede pala story ko sa Global Dominion, dito po ako nagkaroon ng sariling bahay. Dito po ako nagkaroon ng mga sasakyan. At dito ko patuloy na binubuhay at pinag-aaral ang pamilya ko po, ang anak ko po.
Our loan consultants have grown remarkably too. Your releases have grown from 1.6 billion, same period last year, to 1.9 billion. Imagine, yes, the contribution to production and employment. Cheers to your achievements.
Good evening, everyone. Here to represent Ben Maylugtu, our chairman, my father. Mga kapartner loan consultants natin na talagang masisipag at seryoso, nagpupursige sa trabaho. Maraming salamat sa tiwala na binibigay nyo sa Global Dominion. Dahil sa pagod nyo, parami ng parami ang mga tao at pamilyang natutulungan natin. Kayo po ang dahilan kung bakit tuloy-tuloy ang paglaki at pag-abot ng malayo ng Global Dominion. As we move forward this year, our mission is simple: to reach more, to serve better, and to strengthen our partnership with you. On behalf of our chairman, thank you so much for being a part of our journey. Let's celebrate tonight because you deserve this. Again, thank you very much for coming tonight.
Ang maipapayo ko lang sa mga baguhan na mga loan consultant, tanging tiyaga lamang, isip, talino, at abilidad ang gagawin lang natin. Tiyaga lang ang pinaka-the best. Huwag mawawala ng pag-asa. Darating yung panahon, magtatagumpay rin tayo. Ako, in 20 years ko sa company, yan lang ang akin. Tiyaga lang, sikap. Kaya ito, nakamit ko naman ang tagumpay. Hashtag, pwede pala.
We still have a lot to do. May this challenge give us more meaning in what we do and inspire us to sharpen our focus and become even better at what we do. But for tonight, let's celebrate the achievements of the half year of 2025, and we look forward to hitting our goals for the year. Congratulations in advance to the winners tonight, mga kapart.